What's the deal, family, man? Welcome back to the Realest Reaction channel on YouTube. It's your boy Sean, and we here with another banger for y'all, man. So look, this is Rally 4. All right, we got the best scenes of rallying. So you don't know rally, like rally race car, you know what I'm saying? So it's basically, I don't know the exact definition of rally, like rally racing, but I know it's like a lot of times it's on like dirt roads, dirt paths, stuff like that. I believe it's usually on four-wheel drive vehicles, so you got like a lot of like Subarus, things of that nature. Those are like popular rally cars. Because I believe you want to have four-wheel drive on a rally car. I believe. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to like Google it and go into a bunch of history about rallying right now. But if there is a video that kind of gives more of a background on like where it came from or where it's popular at or whatever it is, just let me know in the comments. Leave it there, man. But we gonna check this out. This is Rally 4, the best scenes of rallying, man. Let's see what they talking about on this one, man. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. That's pretty much it, man. Let's get it.
3 right, 1 on the outside. Now watch this one. 3 right, 1 on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires. 80 down. Whoa. You're all right. Keep it together. That's it. Keep it together. Hold it. Hold it. That's the one. Watch the car thing here now. Watch the chicane. That's the style. That's the style of her. Keep it together.
He laughing. Hey, they laughing and shit, bro. Hey, man. They got a whole dude in there calling out the race with them. That's crazy. So they got a whole, so I guess they have a side dude. It's probably not for every rally race, but I guess they have a side dude who knows the whole like thing or whatever. So he's calling out every move as the dude driving, bro. That's crazy, bro. Started laughing. Boy! So let me slide real quick. You know what I'm saying? That boy went Dubai on him. He did the whole, you know, in Dubai they be doing the whole driving on 2 wheels and shit. He pulled one of them things off. That's wild, bro. Clean turn. Oh. What's more dangerous? Is it more dangerous to drive or more dangerous to watch? God damn. All right, look, I'm gonna try not to pause too much. All right, I know I already started a lot. You feel me? So I ain't gonna try to do too much. But damn. Is it more dangerous to drive or to watch? At least if you driving, you got the whole car to protect you. Shit. Look at that, was almost a whole body right there. Oh, this shit on fire? That was a clean turn. I like that. My guy on 5-star, 6-star, he on 8 stars. He trying to go. It's time to go, bro. I got 8 stars. What you talking about? Oh, that's clean. That's clean. I ain't gonna cap. That's clean. Well, good thing it wasn't that big. God damn. I see the work.
That's cool, Axel.
Push it, Ariel, push it, push it. Ariel, push it, push it.
Bro, what is he thinking? What is going on in your head right now? This dude coming full speed. You like what? I don't get it. I don't get it. That could have been so bad for everybody. Ooh. Oh no. How, Sway? Come on. They did 3 tumbles and then was just driving again. Man, they be what the where they in Scotland? Where they in Scotland and shit? What the hell? This is like a damn Assassin's Creed fucking game or some shit. This shit looked like 28 weeks later and shit. 28 days later. Like what? Where are they at, bro? There's literally there's like 2 cribs. There's like 2 houses. There's like 2-3 houses. You feel me? You got like the city hall and the church in the same building. City hall and the church right here. Got like 2 houses. You know what I'm saying? One little the whole place is a park. Where the hell they be? Where they be doing this at? Let me know in the comments, man. Clean. Okay, on your Gran Turismo. I like it. Okay, he fucking it up. He fucking it up nicely. Oh!
Dobra, Kaś.
That's where he went? Yo, this rally shit different. This rally shit is way different. Like mind blown right here. Boy, imagine you. That's an epic ass fucking picture. Imagine you this dude though. You know what I'm saying? Like imagine you this dude right here, bro. You got a big ass, I mean, it's small or normal size, but you got this big ass car flying in the air, flying at you like it's Bumblebee and shit, Transformers. Hell no. As many of these motherfuckers that be crashing and shit, I'll be spooked. I know he getting some good paper for these pictures though. I know he is. Boy. Yo, was he just about to like, bro, he caught like 2 bodies right there, bro. That's at least, I mean, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say it, but that's 2 bodies. That was clean. That was real clean. Some of these dudes is nice, man. Some of these dudes is really whipping this shit. Oh, that's clean. That's clean right there.
Et 100 mètres sans frein à bord pour gauche 2, attention étroit. Frein à bord pour gauche 2 étroit, attention. Putain le frein. Non, non.
Oh! Oh my god. Yo, I think his brakes went out. Cause he's going. The turn is coming up. Right? The turn is coming up. He says something and the shit starts going and then he just keep going straight. I think his brakes start working, bro. That could have been bad. Oh man. Imagine there's like a crowd there or something, bro. Oh. Look at his shit tweaking, bro. He tried to do something and it was not working. Whatever he tried to do was not working. I think he tried to hit the emergency brake to get ready for the drift or something. It was not happening. Oh my man. That's crazy.
Marshall telling them to move from there.
All right. That was dope, man. So this is Rally 4, man. That was dope. I'm definitely down to watch more of those. So I see we got 13, 15, 5. So if these are the ones I should be watching, let me know in the comments which ones is the best ones. Send me more car videos, racing videos, all that good stuff. Like, I remember playing on the rally races in Gran Turismo, bro. Gran Turismo 3, bro. And that was like, the rally races were always my favorite because you could just, it was so dope and just crazy. The cars, just everything. But yeah, that's it, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. If you want more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If not, I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.